Hi dear Aquarius, a very good morning to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot and this is a general love reading for all the Aquarius Sun, Moon, Venus rising. Keep in mind this is general, it might or might not resonate with you at the first place. The second thing, the roles can be reversed anytime. And this is a reading from today till the 10th of October. Let's start. So your partner's current energy right now is Aquarius. Your partner's current energy right now is World. Okay, the World. So I feel Aquarius, your partner right now is feeling like everything is over between you guys. This connection is not meant to be, or this connection is no longer holding the same energy or passion as it used to be in the past. And this person is feeling like yet there is separation, there is some kind of breakup thing in this connection. Yet there is something that is left unfinished. There is some kind of unfinished business left in this connection. This is what they are currently experiencing. Let me clarify the World card. Or it might also be possible that your partner is constantly traveling because of work or something. The Chariot, the Page of Cups and the Ace of Wands. Definitely this person feels like the connection is over and nothing is left. Yet there is something that is unfinished. And they are trying their best to move on from this situation, move on from this connection, move on from this relationship. But they are developing some kind of new feelings, some kind of new emotions for this particular connection, that they are not able to leave this. And they are hoping that in the future there will be a brand new beginning. There will be a start, there will be a passionate start to this connection. They are hoping for this thing, okay? And their energy is not letting them go anywhere. Their energy is telling them again and again, stop, stop, please don't go. There's something left in this connection. The connection is not over yet. This is the condition that they are right now having. Okay, let's see what's your current energy. Aquarius, your current energy right now is, let's see. Magician, you are manifesting something. You are trying to manifest something actually. I feel like you are using the law of attraction techniques, the spell techniques, or some kind of, magical techniques to manifest something in your life. And the good thing is that you are already getting the results. You're already getting the results. I feel like you're trying your best to manifest something, and might be you're trying the meditation techniques, the manifestation techniques, the law of attraction techniques, everything. And that's that has just started giving you some kind of results in your life. Let me clarify the Magician in your current energy. The Nine of Pentacles, the Queen of Cups and the Three of Pentacles. Definitely you are working on your self-development, self-healing, self-love. First of all, you are working on your money, your business, your looks, everything about you. Then you are trying to manifest love in your life, okay? And you want to work on this connection with this particular person, whomsoever you are connected with. You just want to work on this connection with them. And you want an equal give and take of energy from their side as well. This is the situation. This is what you are manifesting. You are manifesting equal give and take of energy from this particular person's side as well. You want to work with this person on this particular connection. First of all, you want to work on yourself, your money, your job, business, whatever is connected to you. Then after you are stable enough, you want to work on this connection with this particular person, and you want to have equal give and take of energy from their side as well. Okay? This is what you are manifesting. You are busy manifesting something right now. Your self-independence, then love, then you want to put in effort and put in energy in this connection, and you want equal give and take of energy from this particular person. Okay? Cool. Let me see what this person feels for you, their feelings for you. Their feelings for you right now, Aquarius. Death. Could be dealing with a Scorpio here. You are feeling the same as this person was feeling or currently experiencing. You are feeling the connection is over, there is nothing left. Separation. There is a period of silence, there is a period of separation, there is a period where you guys are not talking to each other. There is physical distance. Emotionally, I don't see a distance between you guys, but physically you guys are not at all at the same page, or physically you guys are not meeting each other or talking to each other. This is the thing. Let me clarify. This is the death and rebirth. Death is not always separation and ending. It is a rebirth of situation. Okay, might be the situation is ending currently right now, but it will start again. I feel like it will restart again. Let me clarify the Death card as their feelings for you. Page of Pentacles, Death card again, and the Judgment card. I feel like this person is feeling like although the connection is over, although we are done with each other, there should be a communication, there should be forgiveness, and there should be reconciliation. This person wants to reconnect with you, and they want to give birth to the dead. They want to give rebirth to a connection which is completely over. You guys are completely not with each other, and you guys are moving on, trying to move on from each other. But this person feels like they should reconnect with you, they should forgive you, or they should ask for forgiveness from your side. You both should, just forgive each other and have a reconciliation and have a judgment again regarding this particular connection. This is what they feel for you. They feel there should be forgiveness. They feel like there should be a second chance to this connection. They feel like this. They feel like although the connection is completely over, there is still a chance of reconciliation. There is still a hope. There is still everything that is, there's still so many things that are connected to each other right now as well. You guys are not fully done with each other. This is the situation. They feel like there should be a reconciliation. Let me see what this person wants from you. High Priestess. This person feels like you should just listen to your intuition. Whatever your intuition is telling you, just listen to that thing. The High Priestess is here. This is what they want from you. They want you to break the silence. They want you to listen to your intuition and break the silence and talk to them regarding this particular situation. Let me clarify the High Priestess as what they want from you. Let's see. Three of Cups, the Six of Wands, and the Moon could be dealing with the Pisces here. So this person wants you to break the silence and have a reconciliation with them and celebrate the reconciliation with them. This is what they want from you. Again, they want you to come out of this fearful situation, come out of the situation where you have a blockage in your intuition and you're not able to listen to your own intuition. So this person wants you to open up to them, break the silence, talk to them and have a reconciliation with them, celebrate life with them and have a victorious start in this connection without any fear, without any kind of fear or without any kind of resentment or anger or jealousy or temperament. Everything that you were experiencing with this particular person in the recent past, they just want you to leave that feeling behind and don't be fearful about the future, don't be fearful about the past. Just be in the present right now with them and break the silence and tell them exactly what you are feeling about this connection for them. And then restart the connection, have a victorious start and have a successful relationship with them. This is what they want from you. Even if they're not telling you that, but they want this from you, Aquarius, okay? Let's see what is coming towards you till the 10th of October, the potential outcome for you. King of Wands. Definitely either you or them is going to the person, to the other person. There will be communication, there will be lots of communication actually, and I feel like you are going to take the risk or they are going to take the risk. King of Wands is a person who is ready to take the risk because they are very passionate about something in their life and that's something they want very, very badly. That's why this person is not giving a fuck if the other person is understanding this or not. They are very passionate. They are very, very, they are just wearing their heart in their sleeves and just ready to take the risk. So either you or them are planning to go to the other person and have a conversation, not just a conversation, have a brand new start of the connection. Let me clarify the King of Wands as a potential outcome for you. The Devil, the King of Swords and the Queen of Pentacles. The whole angle is changed. I feel like somebody is coming out of a third party situation here, or from a toxic connection or a toxic relationship here, and they are being very, very honest with you now. They are going to tell you exactly what is happening. They are going to tell you exactly what was happening, and they just want a brand new start with you, and they just want to have a healing of connection with you. They want to, it is either a third party or it is some kind of possessiveness or toxicity that they want to leave behind. They want to cut out the toxicity, the negativity, or they just want to cut out the third party here, and they want to have a practical and mature decision with you, and they want to have a healing with you in this particular connection. So that's why this person is ready to take the risk, that they want to tell you the truth if there is some third party situation, or they are ready to leave the toxicity or negativity behind and start all over again. It could be you, it could be them, it could be any one of you who is doing that, okay? But there is a reconciliation happening. There is a clarity coming to you. I don't see love here, to be very honest, but there is clarity coming. There is some kind of reconciliation coming in, communication coming in. What you are going to do in that communication is up to you. That's your free will with your partner, okay? So thank you so much, Aquarius, for tuning in with me. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, God bless you, namaste.